Stop! Don't throw those precious fruit peelings in the bin. We instinctively toss out the protective coating of our oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and bananas after we get what we need from them: juice, zest, or the delicious fruit itself. But rather than tossing these scraps in the trash, you can use them up. Give these ideas a go. Do you know that these slippery banana peels are an excellent way to shine your shoes? Rub the inside of a banana peel on scuffed shoes or on the leaves of dull houseplants and then wipe clean with a cloth. This can help shine your shoes or give your plant a boost because bananas are high in potassium, a key ingredient in shoe polish and a welcome nutrient for plants. Apple peel is very high in fiber, so why not give your next smoothie a fiber boost and add in some frozen apple peelings? You won't know they're there, but you'll gain all of the health benefits. You can even use apple peels for flavoring your tea. Pomegranates are known to be antioxidant-rich and is good for getting relief from sore throats and cough. To use the pomegranate peel, grind them and use in warm water. Gargle with this water gets instant relief from sore throat. Not just that, you can also moisturize your skin with this peel. Gently rub the inside of this peel on your skin and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off with warm water and see the change. Lemon peels are an easy way to clean your utensils and make them smell less. Rub lemon peel on stained surfaces and it will bring back the shine to your stainless steel, chrome and copper. They will look as good as new. For mineral deposit buildup in tea kettles, fill the vessel with water and a handful of lemon peels and bring to a boil. Turn off heat and let sit for an hour, drain and rinse well. You will be surprised to know that mango peels are loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and several vitamins. With a little tough texture and bitter taste, these peels can be used to make mango syrup by boiling the mango peels with sugar and water. You can also add a hint of lemon juice to improve the taste. You don't have to spend extra money to take advantage of avocado's moisturizing properties. Rub the insides of these peels on your hands, feet, and even face, and leave them for 15 minutes. Wash off with warm water and see the difference in your skin. Orange peel is full of goodness, so why not drink its benefits? It tastes delicious too, especially in autumn and winter. Simply dry out your orange peel. Then add several pieces to a pot of hot water, and leave it to steep for an hour or so. Serve at room temperature, or warmer if you prefer. This indigenous fruit is loaded with nutrients and is known to be quite high in vitamin C. Much to our surprise, the skin of this fruit is edible in reality and has 50% more fiber than the fruit itself. So, the next time you are making fruit salad, just wash kiwi well and cut it with the skin on. Peaches are known to be highly nutritious. Their peels have hydrating properties and can even moisturize your skin. These peels can be used as an excellent beauty hack. Just add a little sugar inside the peach peel and rub onto your dry skin gently. This will not only hydrate your skin but make it shine as well. Grapefruits are known to be an excellent source of vitamin C and dietary fiber, and so does the peel of this fruit. Surprisingly, this peel can be eaten and has more fiber than the pulp. To make tea from grapefruit peels, simply add a minced grapefruit peel to boiling water and let it simmer for 15 minutes, then sweeten to taste with honey. If you still find yourself with leftover fruit peels, don't toss them in the garbage can. Add them to your compost bin to enrich soil for gardening and fight food waste.